Hi YouTube, how's it going? It's Dan and I'm back. Since I did my last Learn Audio DSP video, I've gotten a lot of feedback from people who are really excited to see the content on this channel, and frankly I'm surprised at how much people are interested in these topics. I think there's not that many people who have knowledge of DSP, audio production, and are interested in sharing that knowledge in an accessible way, and I'm excited to be able to fill that kind of role. I guess part of the reason why I haven't made a video in a while is there's been a lot of big changes going on in my life, including just moving to Pittsburgh, starting a new job, and all kinds of other stuff. Now that I've been getting settled down in my new life, I'm excited to try and pick this channel up again. To make it easier on me though, I think I'm going to start doing videos in a little bit of a different format. As always, I want to be focused on algorithm prototypes, running them in scripts, as opposed to focusing on real-time implementations in plugins or C++. If you're interested more on implementations in C++, I'd check out the Audio Programmer's channel. He does a great job, and I think he does better than I could do on that kind of subject. I am interested in switching my videos to use Python scripts using NumPy and SciPy instead of Octave, partially because of my new job. I've been using Python and NumPy, and I've been getting more comfortable using those tools, and partially because I think they're a little bit more accessible. I know some people have trouble installing Octave, and it seems a little bit weird to them, whereas Python is something that a lot of people know, and there's a lot of resources on how to use it for beginners. I think the one thing that I had trouble with before is trying to figure out a sequence to cover all kinds of topics and figure out how to plan all of those out. But now I think I want to focus a little bit less on having a sequence that's really kind of curated and more just whatever I feel like making or whatever you all are interested in hearing about. So on that topic, I made a survey to try and get some feedback from people, those of you who have seen the videos or those of you who are just new to this channel and interested to learn more about audio DSP. I'm interested in stuff like your level of experience in programming or signal processing. Are you a student? Are you here just because you think it's fun to learn about this kind of thing? What topics are you interested in? Maybe audio effects, synthesizers, or sampling sorts of topics? Are you interested in more basic topics? Do you want sort of the fundamentals of signal processing? Or are you interested more in maybe a complex combination of topics, sort of how real audio processing happens in the world, even if it's a little bit harder to understand the details of at a fundamental level? And any other feedback that you're interested in giving. So thanks for watching this channel. I'm excited to be back. Please click the link in the description to check out the survey, fill it out. And other than that, subscribe to the channel and hope to see you back soon.